A lot of the battery operated tools are in there. And then I've got organizers, bins, and then organizers, and then a couple of crates, things in there. All right, let me go to the back. Oh, let me, that's what I'm using my trailer, kind of like, I don't know, an office for now. My van. My shop's a mess. I don't want to show you that, but I'll show you a little bit. It's not really, I mean, it's a shop, but it's still a mess, but so let's go outside. Let's go through the trailer real quick. Just got a couple of chargers right there. My last battery. So this one's done, and this one's done. Gotta put these away, but for now, that's my door opened up all the way. Those are my chargers, but I unplugged the truck. That's why I had those going inside there, so I could plug that in the trailer instead. So let me show. This crate's empty right here. I still gotta organize, but usually these crates are actually empty. Table, see. Now slide this crate out of the way. I keep my circular saw in there. A couple things down there. Spackle. I don't do a lot of spackling, so this is a small spackle. Joint compound tub, and a knife, and a small hawk actually in there. I used to keep my sawhorses in there, but I don't carry sawhorses anymore. I might get the kind that fold and just add them to this table and strap them up. Just two of them. Not sure yet. Excuse me. Anyway. So, that's the truck again. Organized. I mean, decently organized, not perfect, but got a nice new stool there. That's a Gorilla, I think. Gorilla. The one I had before that, I had two of them. They were garbage. They broke after a short time, and then that one, see, it's by the table saw. The other one fit better where I had it. Now this one's bigger. It wouldn't fit, so I just came up with the idea to put it there a few minutes ago. So, but I'm going to put these batteries. Let's take these two batteries. Okay. This is my phone. It's not my GoPro. So that's where my DeWalt batteries are. The 5 volt. No, what am I saying? 4 amp hour, 5 amp hour, and 2 amp hour. And then I got the Milwaukee's in here, 12 volt. Then I got a couple of, those are 60 volt. And then the other one, I have 3 of them. I think they're only 6 amp hour. I have one in my blower that's over here. But, all right, let me put that back. So, I gotta spend some more time some other day, get it really dialed in, but it's pretty good for now. Thanks.